One important thing, if I increase the value of rate of return, the present value of money is decreased. Active cell reference item, click in formula bar. Type 15, press enter key. The present value of money is decreased. Again active decision, click in formula bar. Type 3, press enter key. So decreasing the value of rate of return, the present value of money is increased. So if company agree on this rate of return, I will earn more profit from the initial investment. Again active decision, click in formula bar, type 7, press enter key. Now I calculate net present value of an investment. Active cell reference F11, enter equal sign, add the initial value of investment to the value of present value. Click cell reference F10, enter addition operator, click cell reference B3, press enter key. This is the net present value of the investment, $38,653, and this is the worth of initial investment. So always invest in company with a low rate of return. As a result, you will get more profit on the initial investment.